What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we just got over here to the shop. We're at B&K Performance. Randy's over here, so that means we're going to be working on go fast stuff, like real go fast stuff, like not like pretend go fast stuff. We're working on fast stuff today, kind of. Well, we should have a very easy day today. So, Randy, what we got going on today? What's our plan?
Install an engine.
We're going to install an engine.
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds fun
Believe that.
and exciting.
Right.
All right, let's go get that thing out of the trailer real fast. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com, grab yourself some merchandise, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Oh boy, freaking this thing looks great. Oh my goodness, it is red. Wow. That thing is awesome. Courtney done a fantastic job on this thing. Go follow him on YouTube. The Paint and Paper Hustle. Wow. Awesome job. So he hooked Randy up on a paint job. Wow, this thing is, it is red.
Yeah. He did a real good price. And very, very cool.
Wow, man. And real quick, you know, it's one of those things. Randy didn't know what he was going to do color-wise. He's been black forever. So his wife has always wanted a red race car. She has a red GT350, and red is her favorite color. So Randy, being the good husband that he is, said, I better paint my race car red.
Wanted to stay married.
And he wanted to stay married. That's right. So, wow, man, this thing's awesome. I like the one wheel. This is a very good way to move the car around at the moment. So the back wheels are on it. The rear end is still in it, so they didn't take any of that stuff out. But the front end stuff, he sold the front end stuff off of it, so he's getting Racecraft front end. So it's going to have the K-member. What did they call that?
Outlaw style.
The outlaw style front K-member. And so what it basically does is it just comes up further forward, and then we'll take it, and it just makes it so you can service the motor easier. You can get the oil pan off without having to pull all the steering stuff off and drop the K-member down. So that's a good thing. So our goal today, we're going to set this motor in, and we may or may not have like final assembly for the motor. We don't know yet. We have lost the rear main seal and the back cam plug. We don't know where it's at.
How about Kevin Mullins said he'd go into work today and make me one?
Wow, that's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Pretty damn good service right there.
So we are going to get the motor in. If we can't find the stuff on the back of the motor, the rear main seal and the cam plug, then we're just going to just bolt it in there lightly, just get it in place, get the motor dropped in. Because why are we doing that?
We're getting ready to send it to Jason Braswell at Braswell Performance, and he's going to do some new headers and turbo, hot, cold side, and the whole 9 yards. Going to build us some burn down tubes and a tank. So that's probably all we can afford.
Right. So that's a good plan. So y'all remember, I don't know if y'all remember or not, when Randy went from blower to turbo, I was in charge of making his headers work. And so we got the slip fit connectors. It took me like 80 hours to weld on slip fit connectors because I'm not a header builder at all. And it was disastrous.
Well, that looked good. They're good.
They look terrible, but I appreciate it. But they fit the purpose. They weren't bad. I mean, they worked out pretty good. It wasn't bad. But the thing is, the problem is the new heads that he has are bigger ports. And so we had a couple options where we're going to have to cut those off or either rebuild them. And honestly, when we were looking at them, to cut them off, it was not going to be feasible to do that. That was not going to be the right move because it was just going to ruin a set of headers. So they found somebody that wanted to buy the headers as well as the heads. So he sold all that stuff. So that stuff will be making another car go real fast. And so, that's together and coming together and running.
How about this? Johnny Fast bought all that stuff out of New Bern area.
Right.
And his car is so light, he's probably going to outrun me with my old stuff.
That's going to be bad. I mean, because you ain't take, all you did was add weight. I mean, you added paint. How many gallons of paint do you have on it?
Just one.
Just one. So that's what, 10 pounds, 5 pounds?
Man, that engine is really heavy.
Yes.
I can't bring myself to spend that much money to have it lightened for only 7 pounds, but I'm thinking about it.
that CID intake is heavy. It is heavy. There's a lot of material there.
Yep.
And so, I don't know, man. We got a lot to get done. I mean, this car is turning out beautifully. Repainted all the roll cage stuff. So that stuff's looking good. It's gonna definitely be a show car. We're gonna pick up a little bit of power. We think we should be able to go a little bit faster, but also this thing is going to be. I mean, it's heavy. I mean, you got a heavy car. I mean, a lot of people, Jason Tyson and all those guys.
This ain't helping none.
Yeah, I mean, we need to be on the non-eat diet.
Yeah, that 118 loves some weight though.
Yeah, it don't seem to phase it much. But that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to get the motor dropped in real fast. He got these new quarter windows. These are carbon fiber. Dan Schoenig, however you say his name. Yeah. So those are pretty cool. They look real. They've got like a high definition sticker on them. But they look nice. John's back here working on his. He is getting closer on his. So this is going to be another no prep car that we're going to be racing this year. Hopefully he'll be at all the no prep races where I'm at. He's doing all the sheet metal work stuff in the back. It's coming along. This is Brian's old car. It was at one point all camouflaged. And then they painted it blue, and then it got retired. Brian built the 67. And so now John is rebuilding this one, basically putting a 4-link in it, took the stock suspension stuff out. And so that'll be coming along soon. All right, let's get this motor in real fast. All right, guys, so making some progress here. You can see this nice intake. It is. Randy thinks it's going to fit. I don't know that it's going to fit. That thing is a monster, 5 inches in diameter. Well, how big is that throttle body you got? 5 inch. What does that equate to in like the throttle body size? Does it have it? 123?
Yeah, 123.
Jeez, that thing is massive.
With some manifolds.
High boost. Oh, we running high boost?
No, that's just written there.
No, that recommends high boost.
Yeah.
All right, we're running high boost. It's determined 60 pounds of boost. Here we come. Wow, that's bad to the bone.
Pretty cool.
Wow. Boy, this thing looks really good. Randy, good job. I like the color. It's bright. It's different. I almost scratched it, but Brian did instead of me.
I did not scratch it.
You said you didn't care.
Okay, I scratched it.
We actually didn't scratch it yet. I told Randy though, I was like, this little plate going down through there, I was like, I am not going to be the first one to scratch it. And he was like, it's okay. He's like, Courtney can repaint it. That's actually not what he said. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all these tail lights back here. I don't know if y'all saw the video. Courtney tinted those things, and there's a spot right here that's in the back it's a little light. I don't know what he's going to do to it to make it so it fits pretty good. But no, I'm just kidding. It turned out pretty good. He did a fix on it, and he said he didn't know if it was going to work, and it did. But man, this thing is freaking awesome. So now it's off to Jason Braswell, and so Braswell is going to be doing the hot side and the cold side. And then we're going to get it back over here to Brian's. And then we will have to take the motor back out and then put the motor back in. And then that'll be final assembly. But the motor is almost done. So, I mean, hopefully we're good. I appreciate everybody helping out today. This was fun. It's like 30 degrees outside. Luckily, Brian let us use his nice warm shop. Comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all.